Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the DEERC D40 mini drone. So let's go ahead. It says for 14 and older. So guys, right away we see you have your controller right here. So that's going to take batteries. Looks like 3 AAA batteries. So make sure you have AAA batteries with you because you're going to need them. You got your on and off right there. You got your wing protectors. This is the drone. You got 2 batteries, charging cable, extra blades, and a screwdriver. So this is the mini drone. Pretty awesome looking. Camera on the front. Battery goes in the back. Press and hold this button right here to power it on. Make sure you pull out the blades. So this is what it looks like in your hand. Nice and small. Let's go ahead and flight test it, see how it flies. Make sure to read your manual for more features. Alright guys, overall this is definitely one of the fastest drones that I've reviewed as a mini drone. So it's definitely in the top 5 for speed and agility. Battery lasts long too. You got headlights for at nighttime. Overall guys, it's very impressive. Definitely very impressive for being a mini drone. I would definitely say it's in my top 5. So guys, you have 2 modes. You have fast speed, which is high. And then if you move the little button to the left, it says low. So this is high. As you can see, it moves very quickly and freely. If you drop it to low, now look how it moves. It doesn't move near as quick. So that's more for beginner or for depending on what you're doing. Again, make sure you refer to your manual for a lot of stuff. Right now, this is extremely nimble. I mean, this is really quick. For a mini drone, most aren't this quick. I mean, when you pull back, it pulls back. When you pull forward, it pulls forward. Like, this thing is one of the fastest mini drones that I've reviewed. So most are not this fast. So keep this in mind. And that's under high setting. So as you guys can see, it moves very quick. And then when we go forward, it actually stops quick. A lot of times if you do what I'm doing now on a normal drone, it's gonna actually run into you because it can't turn or go forward that quick. So now let's go ahead and see how fast it goes up. And keep in mind, it's a windy day today, so